JS is a weird language, and it has so many secrets and advanced tips. In this playlist, we are going to deep dive into every single one of them one by one. Let's see. Okay, in one of our questions, we faced a new boolean false is equal to false. Okay, let's try it. Console.log new boolean false, is it equal to false or not? Okay, I think this is a very complex scenario. Why when we use 2 equals it returns true, and when we use 3 equals it's false? You need two separate things to exactly understand what is happening here behind the scene. Okay, let's focus on the first one. When you use 2 plus operator, it has some casting, implicit casting behind the scene, and okay, the false is false and it returns true. This is the nature of equal operator. If you want to know it exactly, I will create a very complete course about plus operator and equal operator and equal operator, and there are many things you need to know about them, but we are not going to talk about them at the moment. Okay, for the next one, in this line, the boolean function returns a object, but in the right side it is a simple boolean. A simple boolean has type of boolean, and the object has type of object. And when we use triple equal sign in JavaScript, it checks first for the type in the left side and the right side. If types became different, it definitely throws false. Let me show you what is happening exactly in here. When we say new boolean of false, such as you see in here, we have a class which has false value in it, and it is not the same as simple false, which is boolean. Okay, let me tell you another example. Let x equals to new boolean of false, and we try to access type of x, it would definitely returns an object. Now you exactly understand why triple equal returns different value than double equal operator in JavaScript. But in case we are talking about a boolean, let me tell you something that you definitely need to understand it. Boolean class or function doesn't exactly works in the way you think. Let me give you an example. A new boolean true, such as you see, it is true. If we write false, yeah, definitely it is false. If we write a string of true, it would be true. And if we write a string of false, it is yet true. Why? Don't be confused. If you want to know why, you definitely need to watch my video where I explain to you exactly falsy values and truthy values in JavaScript. Okay, if you want to watch that video, I will add the card in here. But before watching that video, the boolean operator doesn't examine or evaluate the string in here. It's just seeing a string, and a string in here is always true because a string is a truthy value. But if we use an empty string, Yeah, it is false. Okay, I think this is great for this video, and you understand exactly the difference between passing a string and boolean to the boolean function in JavaScript or boolean class in JavaScript, and you have a little understanding about the difference between triple equal and double equal operator in JavaScript. If you need to know more, watch my two other videos.